Back in the day, I used to build campaigns that actually generated real revenue, but today I'm tackling the question everyone is asking me: can AI actually replace the work of an agency? Many creators are wondering if they can ditch expensive editors and schedulers and just let a single AI tool take the reins. Today, I'm putting a popular tool called Vizard to the test to see if it's genuinely useful or just another piece of digital clutter. It's designed to handle the heavy lifting by taking long-form video, chopping it into short, ready-to-post clips, and managing your entire content calendar. I want to see if it can successfully collapse the complex worlds of editing and distribution into one single efficient flow. Looking at the dashboard, it is surprisingly clean, offering clear areas for discovery, auto-editing, and organizing your posts. To test this properly, I dropped a 40-minute live stream recording directly into the analyzer. In about a minute, the tool scanned the audio to identify the high-energy spikes, the funny moments, and the visual changes that make for a great short. The system prioritized clips with actual hook potential rather than just making random cuts based on silence. I tried the fully automatic route, and it successfully pulled out several short, punchy clips that were immediately usable as social content. This is where it really shines, because instead of giving me raw timestamps, it provided 3 distinct variations of hook text for every single clip. I was even able to toggle between different tone settings like casual or educational to match the specific vibe of my brand. Now, to be totally transparent, the AI isn't perfect, and I did have to fix a couple of misinterpreted technical terms in the transcription. It's definitely smart to give the model a little bit of context if your video is filled with very specific industry jargon. The tool handles the formatting for you, offering perfect presets for every major social media platform. It also automatically handles safe frame cropping to make sure your captions don't block any important visuals. For quick polishing, you can use built-in motion templates to add professional-looking intros and outros to your content. Another huge time saver is the thumbnail generator, which creates several high-contrast options based on what it thinks will actually convert. Moving to distribution, the tool allows you to schedule your posts directly within the interface instead of exporting them elsewhere. I set up a 2-week queue across multiple platforms, and the calendar view made it incredibly easy to drag and drop everything into place. A really cool feature is the recommendation engine that suggests which clips have the best potential for paid promotion. Compared to other tools I have used, this sits right in the middle, offering more capability than a basic clipper but with far more speed than manual editing. Unlike research-focused platforms, this tool is purely dedicated to repurposing your raw footage into consistent social content. I do have to point out that you still need to be mindful of copyright and music licensing, as the software won't magically clear rights for you. Also, if your brand voice is very edgy or niche, you might find the AI's default choices a bit too safe, so a quick manual pass is usually a good idea. For those working with a team, the collaboration features allow you to easily assign review tasks and lock final versions. This workflow effectively replaces the tedious back-and-forth file transfers that typically eat up so much time. While it isn't free, the cost is quite reasonable when you consider the price of hiring a dedicated editor or subscribing to multiple individual tools. I also love that the tool tracks your performance data, which helps it learn what works best for your specific audience over time. When I compared the output of this automated workflow to my usual manual process, the time savings were honestly massive. For the vast majority of creators, this provides a significant efficiency gain that lets you spend more time creating and less time chopping video. It's a practical tool that really understands the daily workflow of someone who needs to publish content consistently. While it might not replace a cinematic filmmaker who needs frame-by-frame color grading, it is a game changer for almost everyone else. I'm giving it a strong rating for its ability to turn long recordings into a month's worth of content in just a few minutes. If you have questions about how I optimized my hooks, drop a comment below and I will get back to you. I just want to help people stop wasting time on repetitive tasks, so thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.